Dark underarms can be caused by various factors such as shaving, friction, dead skin buildup, hyperpigmentation, or the use of certain skincare products. We will study some important tips to help reduce the appearance of dark underarms in this video. Exfoliate regularly. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub or a soft brush to remove dead skin cells from the underarm area. Exfoliation can help lighten dark spots and improve skin texture. Avoid irritation. Minimize shaving or waxing, as these methods can cause irritation and darkening of the underarms. Consider alternative hair removal methods like laser hair removal or depilatory creams. Moisturize. Keep the underarm area moisturized to prevent dryness and irritation. Use a gentle moisturizer or hydrating cream after showering to maintain skin hydration. Natural remedies. Apply natural remedies such as lemon juice, potato juice, cucumber slices, or aloe vera gel to the underarms. These ingredients contain natural bleaching properties that can help lighten dark pigmentation over time. Use sunscreen. Protect your underarms from sun exposure by applying sunscreen with a high SPF. Sun exposure can worsen hyperpigmentation and darken the skin. Avoid harsh chemicals. Be mindful of the skincare products you use on your underarms. Avoid products containing harsh chemicals or alcohol, as they can irritate the skin and contribute to darkening. Medical treatments. In severe cases of hyperpigmentation, you may consider seeking medical treatments such as chemical peels, laser therapy, or topical lightening creams prescribed by a dermatologist. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and exercising regularly. A healthy lifestyle can promote overall skin health and help prevent dark underarms. It's important to note that results may vary depending on individual skin types and underlying causes of dark underarms. Consistency and patience are key when trying to lighten dark underarms, and it may take time to see noticeable improvements. If you have concerns about persistent dark underarms or skin discoloration, consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options.